Welcome back to Cracking SEO, a series where I'll show you strategies on how to increase your views and subscribers through SEO. Not just the basic titles and tags, you and I are gonna look at one of the most underrated forms of SEO that's hiding in plain sight. Is there a secret YouTube SEO trick that's allowing YouTubers to generate millions of views and crack the YouTube algorithm? Possibly. I decided to do my own research to test the theory that you need to know about. This is Matthew Beem. You may have seen him hiring real-life Spider-Man or building Mr. Beast Squid Games. Matthew does something with his YouTube content that allows him to show up in search results better than any other YouTuber. And I would encourage you to take notes because this could be the secret you need to generating more views. I took a look at Matthew's latest YouTube video, Overnight in the World's Best Airport. There was something that stood out to me, not within his video, but within the description of his video. Out of the 5,000 characters you're allowed on YouTube for a description, Matthew used 2,032 of those characters for a detail-heavy description. In the description below, he has two separate blocks. One block is more of a recap/story about the video and everything that happened within it. The second block is where he heavied up on phrases and more keywords, and this is where they come into play. Why would he do this? Well, I decided to run a test on some of the phrases that he was using in the description of his video related to the title of his video. I copied and pasted a few of his keywords from the description and pasted those in a private browser on YouTube. I wanted to see if these keywords were actual phrases that people could be searching for and see if they were helping Matthew get more views. The first term I searched for was "I lived in a luxury airport for 24 hours. He was the third to pop up. The next term was "living in the world's best airport." Again, he was the third to pop up. The final term I searched for was "we lived in the Singapore airport." Again, he popped up third. However, people are going to YouTube to search things like luxury airport and Singapore airport. These are all key phrases that Matthew can use to his advantage because at the end of the day, people are searching this on YouTube and his video will rank. What does this all mean? For example, if you're watching a similar video from Yes Theory, Matthew is more likely to be recommended to the viewer who is watching a different video from a different creator. And this allows him to generate more views just from solely including the titles in his video. So let's talk about you. What does this mean now? YouTube is using everything, not only in your video, but your description also to index your video and to put it in front of the people that it needs to be in front of. I will caution you on this one thing because it could open you up to a massive problem. If you fill your video with the titles, tags, and descriptions from things that are not related to the actual video itself, you are running the risk of your video being removed. Again, you want to give YouTube every opportunity to index your video and put it in front of the right people. However, make sure that you have proper tags, titles, and the appropriate description of things that are related and interests that are related within the video so that I can place it to the right people and that your video does not get removed. If you're looking to make a piece of content, research other content that is similar to yours. See what's out there on YouTube. There's a vast variety of content right here on this platform. If there are similar titles and tags within those videos, use those in the description of your content to be able to maximize the amount of reach that it can get. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you're gonna like this video and maybe this video too.